We are group number 9, and let me introduce my team members to you. We have Sneha Chandra, Anmol Mahajan, Usha Suryavanshi, Gaurav Dwivedi, Sumit Kumar, and me. I am Nishita. So the case we are going to discuss today is about Trustworthy Insurance Company, and the case deals with information timing, and telling the truth. So let me give a brief background of the company. Trustworthy Insurance Company is the second largest employer in Ferndale, which is in the Chicago suburb of California, and it has a strong Midwestern client base, and the current employee size is about 1,200. Coming to the background, in the last 5 years, the profits of the company have been declining, and the business has started going down. So, Carl Peters has been brought as the new CEO 2 years ago to turn the company around. So, he wanted a leaner company. He wanted more specific target lines, more targeted product lines, and he also wanted a broader national presence to expand business. So he chose communication through newsletters and company-wide meetings to communicate the changes to his employees. So I request Gaurav to continue with the presentation.
Thank you, Nisha. So what is the Carl's strategy now? He has joined 2 years back, and he has decided to implement a 5 years plan. A plan is comprising of 2 phases. First phase of 2 years, which is already over. In first phase, he has done some restructuring. In the restructuring, he has done basically the cost cutting and increasing the means of productivity. And you can read the bullets here for phase 2. After doing the productivity part, he is now considering the better infrastructure and office building and office supplies. So he decided that the current building is not adequate, so we should go for relocation. For relocation, he is considering 2 options. First one is the nearby the current headquarters, so it's better for the local employees and all, but it's not very good in terms of long-term taxes and all. Second one is 30 miles away from the current headquarters, and it's better connected to airports, so it will help the company in the nationwide presence and better traveling and everything, but it's again far from the current headquarters or downtown, so employee will have to travel a lot, so there may be the negative feeling for the employees. Next part is how employees are feeling, so Usha will help in elaborating this. Thanks.
Thank you, Gaurav. As you can see that the case is all about skepticism related to the job securities of the employees, and they are quite concerned about it. So I would be dealing with the employee's perspective, how employees feel about the organization. One positive aspect of this is that employees do appreciate that the CEO holds the company-wide meeting in which he discusses about how the decisions are impacting the organization's performance and how the efforts of the employees are actually helping the organization achieve its goal. So employees appreciate that part, but at the same time there's a skepticism about the communication from the top management. That is, every communication from the top management is viewed with skepticism, and also every message is scrutinized to get the information which could impact the employee's job. So this, in the long run, it actually leads to downgrading of the morale and also increases the negative grapevine communication. The grapevine communication is procuring of the information unofficially or informally for the unofficially or informally through gossip or rumors. So first of all, it is unethical, and second of all, when employees make decisions based on the rumors that might be true or might not be true, might affect the company's performance in the long run. and eventually it leads to the reduced employee productivity, increased absenteeism, and it enhances the fear about the job security. Now Sneha will actually take up the HR perspective.
Thank you, Usha. Okay, so now I'll be talking on behalf of Anne Davidson, who is the Vice President HR of the company. Anne is concerned about the growing rumors which are like companies are busy with the rumors. Like people are concerned that the jobs will be cut down, there will be relocation, restructuring of jobs. So there is an overall employee negativity all around. People are thinking that they will be asked, like without any prior notice, they will be given a notice of their jobs will be taken and they will have no other options to go around. There's a attrition rate, people are thinking of taking up new jobs. There's a reflection at middle management level. Anne heard from Sam Peters, who's sales manager at the company, that he's considering taking up a similar level job at another company. Curbing negative grapevine, this is the concern which Anne needs to be addressed, and as well as deciding the proper communication channel. As far as the communication is concerned, Anne has addressed 4 points which are there to be addressed. There is a grapevine communication which needs to be addressed. Rumors should be curbed down. Coordination issues, whatever information is coming from the top management should have, it should flow through a proper channel and should come down to the lower level management so that there are no rumors. Absenteeism, because of the negativity all around, productivity and the morale of the people is going down. So which is in turn affecting absenteeism. Like people are taking leaves, they are not secure about their jobs. So, and turnover. Again, because of the growing negativity, turnover is the main issue which needs to be addressed, and this is what Anne is recommending Carl to take up. Now Anmol will talk about the strategies which company will be taking.
Thank you, Sneha. So we as a group are proposing 2 kinds of strategies here that they can tackle. So we are proposing certain immediate actions that companies should take, and in the long run they should also include some actions which will basically solve all the problems that they are facing right now. So as far as immediate actions are concerned, as far as immediate actions are concerned, we need to Mr. Carl Peters, who is the VP, who is the CEO, he can basically either release a memo in a monthly newsletters, or he can hold a company-wide meeting. So what he needs to do in this meetings is he has to give assurance to the employees about their jobs, and secondly he has to clearly point out that they are considering 2 options, but they are more inclined towards Wayland business path, and also they have to discuss about the current performance, because company has been growing in recent past. So it's not like there will be further downsizing. So if people are assured of their jobs, then it would be better for holding them in the company. So among these 2 options of releasing a newsletter and a company-wide meeting, we prefer as a group will recommend Mr. Carl Peters holding a company-wide meeting, because if you have a company-wide meeting where you're personally going in front of your employees, it will build more trust in your employees, and they will be more welcoming about all these decisions, and you can explain it in person. So this is about the immediate studies that we are proposing. Next, Sumit will come over and will tell you about the long-term strategies that we are proposing for trustworthy insurance, which will solve all these problems of communication. Thank you.
Thank you, Anmol. I would take you through the long-term solution which a company should impose.
1 minute remains.
We have seen that Carl has used communication strategies like newsletters and some company-wide meetings to address all the issues. But in the long term, what he should do is that he should hold more periodic meetings between the senior management and the staff, because communication is all about the two-way communication, where you get the feedback from the employees and you implement upon them, and this will help remove the grapevine which has developed develop due to all these rumors. And there should be, and this will also increase the more transparency in the organization. To increase the betterment of the communication, we should use Carl should use the internet communication platform where he can release notifications, small notifications at short intervals of time, and this will help improve more productivity, and the grapevine will not develop in the organization. And this was all about the case. Thank you.